7-Day Baldness Miracle Remedy. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. You must know someone with a problem of baldness, as it is one of the biggest health and beauty problems that most of us face. Either you are upset and worried about the bald patches that you have, or an entire portion of head that is bald. But don't worry. Today, I have a miracle remedy for you that will kickstart the hair regrowth in just 7 days and will help you have a scalp full of hair in just 2 to 4 months. So let's start with the ingredients of this miracle remedy. The things that we will need are 1 carrot, 1 red onion, 1 white onion, 1 potato, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Put all the vegetables one by one into the juicer and squeeze out all the juice. Store in a bottle and refrigerate. You need to make it fresh every time you use it. This mixture is very runny and will create a mess if you apply it with your fingers. You will need to use cotton balls to apply it. Section your hair and dip a cotton ball in this mixture and apply it to your scalp. Onion juice helps improve hair growth by boosting the level of an antioxidant enzyme, catalase. It is rich in sulfur, which will nourish your hair follicles and also helps minimize hair thinning and breakage. Potato contains vitamin B, vitamin C, zinc, niacin, and iron, which nourish the hair follicles and promote hair growth. Carrots are excellent for boosting hair growth and improving the overall health of your hair. Carrots contain vitamin A, which stimulates sebum production that conditions your scalp and helps combat hair loss. They are also capable of improving the overall strength of your hair and making it thicker and shinier. The vitamins B, C, E, magnesium, and phosphorus found in carrots improve the blood circulation in your scalp, which in turn promotes hair growth. Cover your entire scalp with it and massage for 2 to 3 minutes. Coconut oil stimulates hair growth, getting deep into the follicles. Coconut oil prevents hair breakage and split ends, contributing to hair length. Leave it in for 20 minutes and then wash your hair with a mild shampoo and lukewarm water. Use it 3 times a week. You will see a difference within 7 days of use. Your hair will start to grow in bald areas. Your hair will be shiny, healthy, and it will start to grow at a double rate. You'll be amazed to see the results. Use for 2 to 3 months for complete regrowth of hair. I hope you liked my video. Share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Bye!